TRD Sport package brings added styling and handling upgrades to 2018 Toyota Tundra and Sequoia. Toyota joins every other automaker in the known universe by launching special edition versions of the full-size Tundra pickup and Sequoia SUV. It's called the TRD Sport and it brings new grille treatments, upgraded headlights, black wheels, and a TRD on-road handling package, among other small changes. What's more, the Sequoia is finally getting an updated gauge cluster that replaces the archaic piece that's been present since 2008. Both vehicles are also getting Toyota's full suite of active safety systems, which rounds out nearly all of Toyota's lineup with TSSP coming as standard equipment. The new TRD Sport trim alights with the existing Tacoma TRD Sport, which is a street-biased package that complements the TRD Off-Road package and hardcore TRD Pro package on that Tacoma. Unfortunately, Toyota has not released a TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro version of the Sequoia. Then again, the TRD Sport package is the first major upgrade in the current generation Sequoia's decade-long life, so it's not surprising Toyota isn't showing it a ton of love. Beyond the suspension upgrade brought by the TRD Sport package, no mechanical changes are found for either the Tundra or Sequoia. Both still use the 5.7-liter I-Force V8 with 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, which mates to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as before, both Tundra and Sequoia can be had in RWD or 4WD, including TRD Sport models. Want to know the details of Toyota's TRD Sport package? Keep reading to find out. Continue reading for more information. The TRD Sport package brings an added level of on-road driving performance with upgraded suspension parts designed to reduce body roll and handle the rigors of spirited hustling. Matching the suspension upgrades, Toyota gave both Tundra and Sequoia TRD Sport models updated exterior features and a handful of interior bits. As an added bonus, all trim levels of the Tundra and Sequoia will now come with Toyota Safety Sense, plus, a comprehensive active safety system that includes pre-collision system with automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, pre-collision with pedestrian detection function, and dynamic radar cruise control. The TRD Sport package brings an added level of on-road driving performance with upgraded suspension parts designed to reduce body roll and handle the rigors of spirited hustling. These safety systems will allow both Tundra and Sequoia to contend for the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award, which can only go to vehicles with active safety features. Toyota did not mention any structural updates to either vehicle in regards to crashworthiness. 2018 Toyota Tundra TRD Sport. The TRD Sport package is available on the 2018 Tundra with the double cab, extended cab, and CrewMax crew cab optioned with the 5.7-liter V8. The exterior denotes the TRD Sport package with color-keyed mirrors and bumpers, a non-functional hood scoop, 20-inch alloy silver sport wheels, LED headlights with smoked chrome bezels, LED daytime running lights and fog lights, a unique mesh grille with body-colored surround, and of course TRD Sport graphics at the rear of the cargo bed. The Tundra TRD Sport comes in super white, magnetic gray, midnight black pearl, blazing blue pearl and Barcelona red metallic. The exterior denotes the TRD Sport package with color-keyed mirrors and bumpers, a non-functional hood scoop, 20-inch alloy silver sport wheels, LED headlights with smoked chrome bezels, LED daytime running lights and fog lights, a unique mesh grille with body-colored surround, and of course TRD Sport graphics at the rear of the cargo bed. Inside, the Tundra TRD Sport gets a TRD branded gear shifter and floor mats. The only other change is an upgraded gauge cluster with a new multi-information display. This not only looks better than before, it also allows the driver to control the TSSP system. Of course, the most drastic change the TRD Sport package brings are the upgrade suspension parts. The Tundra receives TRD-tuned Bilstein shock absorbers and TRD-branded front and rear sway bars. Toyota has not released any empirical data that details improved driving dynamics, but the difference will likely be noticeable from behind the wheel. 2018 Toyota Sequoia TRD Sport. It's a magical day. I have the rare found pleasure of writing about an updated Sequoia. Yes, the same Sequoia that's been slowly dribbling out of Toyota dealerships since the 2008 model year. For some reason, Toyota felt it not necessary to update the Sequoia in the last decade, despite the Tundra getting an extensive facelift for the 2014 model year. Thankfully though, the times are changing. Just not by much. Every 2018 Sequoia now comes with an updated gauge cluster with an honest 4.2-inch TFT display, a slightly revised center console, and LED headlights complementing a revised front fascia. The TTSP system also makes its way to the SUV. The TRD Sport package brings several updates, not the least of which is a trim-specific grille. The LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights are present here, too. The same Sequoia that's been slowly dribbling out of Toyota dealerships since the 2008 model year. Every 2018 Sequoia now comes with an updated gauge cluster with an honest 4.2-inch TFT display, a slightly revised center console, and LED headlights complementing a revised front fascia. Other TRD Sport add-ons include metallic black mirror caps, 20-inch alloy black sport wheels, smoked taillight lenses, and black satin TRD Sport badges on the front doors. Exterior colors include 3 new choices. They are midnight black metallic, shoreline blue pearl, and toasted walnut pearl. Carry-over colors include super white, magnetic gray metallic, silver sky metallic, blizzard pearl, and sizzling crimson. The interior features a TRD shift knob, floor mats, and sill protectors, along with the new 4.2-inch TFT display in the gauge cluster. Suspension-wise, the Sequoia TRD Sport receives the same treatment as the Tundra, TRD-tuned Bilstein shock absorbers and TRD-branded front and rear sway bars. And like the Tundra, the Sequoia TRD Sport can be had in RWD or 4WD models. The TRD Sport will join the familiar trim levels already available on the Sequoia, which include the State Route 5, Limited, and Platinum models. Pricing for both models will be announced closer to their on-sale dates later this year.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.